quitarse los miedos, sacarlos afuera, pintarse la cara.
Welcome back to Querer es Poder, where there's a will, there's a way. Our show is about inspiring, educating, and motivating young and not so young people here in Santa Clarita. And today I'm so glad we have Robert Reyes,
The Renaissance Man.
Renaissance Man, Entrepreneur of the Year.
It's SCV Latino Chamber of Commerce Entrepreneur of the Year. Congratulations, Robert.
Well, thank you.
And
Thank
you
very
know, you're so dynamic. And I like...
Are you pointing to him or to me?
Both of you. No, I was referring to him, but you
Good
too.
recovery.
You too. You know, I like that a lot about you. That's why the Latino Chamber of Commerce, it's where it is, because of you. And I'm glad that you are bringing us, Robert, many events. So we were talking before about Veterans Weekend, but you
Yes.
have more.
Yes, we have Veterans Day. No, we did Veterans Day on the 11th. We're doing that on the 11th, and then subsequent to that, we have an event that is a community event that will take place at Cheers at All Corked Up next Wednesday, the 14th, and that is a fundraising event to help victims of Sandy. And all proceeds of the event will be donated to that cause. And there will be probably 20 or so winemakers from the Santa Clarita Valley who will participate in that, and people will be donating library wines and such, and of course Cheers at All Corked Up will be providing food.
Cheers.
And it's-
Let me just interrupt you a second, Robert, because I want to make sure everybody knows. Cheers at All Corked Up is at Center Point, in the Center Point area of Santa Clarita, and the owner, Al Robles, is one of the truly fine gentlemen in Santa Clarita in terms of supporting the community, building something, putting his money where his mouth is, and this is just another way that he's helping the community. With your help and his help, I have great feelings, very positive feelings for our community.
And that is one reason why I wanted to participate in this event. We're going to be doing a wine tasting along with all the others. And Al is a great guy, and sure enough, he really does contribute to the community. He's a
Yes,
great
he
guy,
does.
and like I said, 100% of the proceeds of the event will go to the victims of Sandy, and it'll be $25 per person at the door. And I hope to see a full house there, because it's a great cause.
It's for a good cause. It's to help the victims of Sandy on the East Coast. Those of you who have friends and relatives in the New York, New Jersey,
And even if
area.
you don't, you want to help this great
Absolutely.
cause. I mean,
absolutely.
$25.
Yes,
Cheers up
there will
at
be.
Walker Cup.
Every little bit helps.
Yes, there will be food and wine and a great time. There'll be live music, which is, again, being donated by the musicians as well. So it's a great cause. It'll be a fun time. It'll be at from 6 to 10 next Wednesday, the 14th, at Cheers at All Corked
And I
Up.
have to tell us, cheers up at Walker Cup. I mean, really good wines, $25. I mean, even the deal by itself for
Yeah, it's a great deal to begin
Yes.
with. It's a great environment.
and in
it's-
addition, you're helping
Yes.
to a great cause.
Yes.
That's right.
And that's one of the reasons why Robert Reyes is such a great asset to our community. He involves himself, and I'm saying this, I know you're here sitting next to me, but you involve yourself in the community, you give back to the community. A lot of people become very successful, as you have, and forget the community. You never did that. From the very beginning, you've always given back to the community, and we really appreciate the work and the give back that you've done for us.
Well, thank you. Thank you for saying that. Thank you.
Okay, so now I think I left them speechless.
Yes.
Moving on, I wanted to mention that we have our Thanksgiving special. We will have our 2010 Chardonnay on special, 15% off at the winery, and we intend to be open for several days prior to Thanksgiving. We'll be closed on Thanksgiving, but we will have a Black Friday opening and that'll be from 11 to 4 for those that are out shopping that day and want to stop by the winery and pick up some wines at a 15% discount that day. That'll be awesome.
That's incredible, because Thanksgiving weekend, people are so busy with Thanksgiving and they're so busy with shopping afterward that they forget to have a nice time, okay? They forget to relax and enjoy. There is no better way to relax and enjoy, in my opinion, than with a good glass of wine and good company. And if you go to Reyes Winery, you're going to get a good glass of wine, and maybe more than one glass, and you're going to get great company in a super environment. What a way to enjoy Thanksgiving.
And you know, it's the investment of having good wine for a special time with your family and the people you love.
Right.
So in those times, Thanksgiving, Christmas, you want to have good stuff. And this is good stuff.
All right, all right.
Good. Do you have any other events? Because these are, you've got them stacked up pretty well.
Well, I've been invited to judge or to be one of the judges at the Miss California Latina pageant, which will take place on the 16th, 17th, and 18th of this month.
Of this month?
In Pasadena, yes.
And it's
In
Miss.
the next,
It's Miss.
Miss California Latina.
Okay, because if it was Mrs., we have her here.
Oh, okay.
Right next
Well, that's true. That is true.
All right.
That is true.
Right, so Miss California Latino, they're going to have a beauty pageant.
That is correct.
And did you say Pasadena?
It's in Pasadena.
In Pasadena, you're going to be one of the judges.
I've been invited to be
Okay.
a judge.
How are you going to judge? What's going to be your criteria?
I don't know.
If they like, I know, it's not if they're beauty or beautiful, it's that if they like
Well,
the
it's-
wine, Robert Reyes.
Depending on how they like the wine. No.
I'm sure it's about talent and intellect.
Okay.
And charisma.
Okay.
And beauty, of course.
Yes.
But it encompasses all of those.
It's like-
And I think I'll know it when I see it.
Beauty, talent, and sympathy. What about that?
And just remember, your wife is watching every move you make.
Yes.
Okay. I just thought I'd
Thank
throw
you.
that out there.
Well,
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Mrs. Miranda, that's my wife, she's watching every move I make. That's why I am so good.
but I have to tell that you are gentleman. Wherever you go, you're a gentleman.
Thank you. Both of us are.
Well, thank you, Bill.
Good to have you on the show, Robert. Robert Reyes, Reyes Winery, Agua Dulce on Sierra Highway.
Thank you for being here, Robert. You're listening to our hometown station AM 1220 KHTS.